watch those travel agents on Instagram living their best lives, booking luxury trips and running their businesses from gorgeous destinations, while you're stuck dealing with tire kicker clients and drowning in browser tabs. Yeah, I know exactly how that feels because I've been right where you are. Hi, I'm Terica, and after years of figuring this out the hard way, I now help new and experienced travel agents transform their businesses with simple, scalable automation systems. Welcome to the Travel Automation Circle, where overwhelm turns into opportunity. In this course, we're going to work together to turn your travel business into a well oiled machine that actually gives you the freedom you dreamed about when you started. No more staying up until 2 a.m. answering DMs, no more forgetting to follow up with potential clients, and definitely no more wondering if you're even doing this whole thing right. I've spent years investing in my own education, testing what works and what doesn't, and now I'm sharing everything I've learned along the way. Every mistake, every win, and every system that's transformed my own business. It's all here for you. The best part, you don't even need fancy tech skills or complicated systems, just proven strategies that work whether you're just starting out or ready to scale to the next level. Ready to build a travel business that actually works for you instead of the other way around? Now, here's the thing. This isn't just another course that's going to sit in your digital library collecting dust. This is your permission slip to do things differently, to stop playing small, to finally build the systems that give you back your time, your energy, and yes, even your weekends. As you move through each module, remember, I've packed everything with actionable steps you can implement right away. No fluff, no theory, just real strategies that work in the real world. And the best part, you've got this amazing opportunity right here to support you every step of the way. Remember when you first started dreaming about your travel business, that excitement, that vision of freedom of doing what you love? That's still possible. Actually, it's more possible than you think, and it's actually what we're going to create together. So glad you're here. Let's get started.